Hello and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen Little Crafter. Additional information about this show and my podcast show, arts, and everything in between can be found on my website, eileenlittlecrafter.com. Alrighty guys, I'm going to be using some images from Maker's Gonna Make. So I'm going to be using the I Wish You a Sweet Birthday, the banner piece, and the sentiment Happy Birthday. I'm also going to be doing some print and cut. I'm using some printable vinyl for this particular project. At first, I'm going to be duplicating the sentiment and that's going to go in the inside 3 times, so that I'm going to ungroup them, and then I'm going to hide contour, which I believe is in the actions button. I'm using, in case I forgot to say, was the Cricut Design Space app to share with you the project that I created today and how I did it. I'll have pictures at the end of the video, and so it's just it's an easy process. All you do is you just press the hide contour button, and then you pick the colors that you want. If you're using a printable print and cut method, if you wanted to just use cardstock, you can do that as well. You could just kind of make it different colors so that you know which card stock is going to be cutting out the frosting. And now at this point, I'm going to group everything together, and I'm also going to flatten it, and then I'm also going to flatten, and I'm going to group the banner, and then I'm going to flatten the banner, which is going to go on top, and that's going to complete my sentiment for the inside. I was thinking about using the banner twice, but then I decided against it. I thought about changing the color, but then I changed my mind as well on that. So what I wind up doing is I pick out another image from the collection that we got. I think this was collection number 2. I don't remember. This really pretty. This was for, I guess, the spring or celebrate life collection. Anyways, so it's kind of like a flower frame. I'm going to center everything horizontally or vertically. Anyways, you get the point. And then once I group it, I'm going to put that group, and then I'm going to press flatten. At this point, I'm trying to figure out the sizing for the card, which, like I said before, everything is going to be used on printable cardstock. Which, by the way, I should just, I don't know, here in New York, I've been having some issues finding printable cardstock. And so, you can get it online or on Amazon. So I'm still fiddling around with the card base, and now I'm going to be, at this point, turning my attention to the front of the card, which is the hard base and the flower frame. I'm going to be using a heart. I'm going to attach that. I'm just sizing it up, and I'm going to bring that forward. I tried the center button, but I didn't like the way it looked, so I just fiddled around with it, eyeballed it the best way I can. I had to change the shape a couple of times. It was too large, and then because I always forget how big I'm supposed to make everything when I do a print and cut project. So I gotta guess, but I know that there's information out there, so I just gotta remember and write it down somewhere, and place it where I can always see it when I'm doing a print and cut project. But anyway, guys, so at this point, I'm going to send it to the print and cut. First you print it out, then you cut it out, and you Cricut, and you have yourself a card. If you like this video, I had to, like I said, I had to fiddle around with it a couple of times. I wound up changing the shape of the card base. I think it was like 6.9, and then the heart was 3 by 3. I put that on foam tape, which you'll see in the video. And that was it. I love the way this card turned out. And if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Or you can always email me. My email address is eileen@eileenthelorecraft.com. And also, don't forget that I'm still having that giveaway. I'll place the giveaway link down below and in this video, so that you guys can enter in that giveaway. You would have to have you would have to be a subscriber to my channel and leave one comment on that particular video. And the drawing will be on the 23rd. Alright, so at this point I'm going to pick out the cardstock, the material, and yeah, so that's about it.